Select MIG gas mode. Enable synergic mode. Select shielding gas. Select wire diameter. Short press to select to T, 4T or spot mode. Press and hold to enter gas check function. Press to exit synergic mode and adjust wire feed speed and voltage manually. Connect ground wire to negative terminal and clamp the workpiece. Then, connect gas hose and control line. Finally, connect the welding torch to the positive terminal. And that completes the gas MIG wiring. Connect air hose, pull to secure. Cut off the hose quick connector. Secure the hose with hose clamps and tighten with a screwdriver. Open cylinder valve and turn clockwise to boost gas flow. Tighten the drain plug and lock it. Lift knob, turn 5 to 6 times, press down to lock. RB360 delivers maximum efficiency on gas MIG. Flawless beads with zero cleanup needed.